children. I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy too. Yes, today we are going to talk about our health, and about some people, those who are not having a good health. We are going to learn about some special people here. So, let us see this image. Yes, what can you see here? In the first picture, you can see a boy who is healthy and fit. Yes, and in the second image, you can observe a boy who is little bit abnormal. He is not as like the first boy, isn't it? Yes, there are some children who are not able to see, who are not able to hear, not able to speak, and also not able to walk. So, today we are going to learn here about some special people. So, let us begin our chapter number 24, Special People. Most of us can see, hear, feel, and touch things around us. Yes, we do it so, isn't it? But we have a healthy body, mind. But there are some people who are not healthy as we are. They do not have a healthy body or a mind. There are some people who cannot see. They are called blind. There are some people who cannot hear. They are called deaf. And some are dumb too. Or those who are not able to walk, they are called handicapped. These are some special people because they need a special care. So, today in this chapter, we will see about different types of people who need a special care. So, here there are some children, those who have visited some of the special schools, and they are telling that what all the things they have observed. So, let us see in this chapter. The first thing is about blind school. They are sharing with us. Recently, we have visited a blind school. We took biscuits, cakes, and sweets for visually challenged people, means blind people. Most of them carried a white stick. They used the stick to feel their surroundings when they walked. We were surprised to see that they move around the places as if they could see well. Most of them didn't their work themselves. By themselves, they are doing their work. When we tried to help them, they politely refused us. We also saw some blind children reading books. They have the special books like they can read. They cannot see, but they can feel and touch. Next, we will see here about old age home. Last week, we visited an old age home. They are telling about the old age home they have visited and what all the things they have observed here. An old age home is a place where people who cannot care for themselves live and care by others. At this home, we organized a small entertainment program to cheer up these old people. They were very happy with our visit. Do you know that 1st October is celebrated as Old Age Day every year? You always remember that in every year 1st October it is celebrated as Old Age Day. Next comes over here deaf and dumb school. We visited a deaf and dumb school too. Students at the school use a special sign language as means of communication. They use their different movements of their hands. You can see in that image, children are moving their hands. They cannot speak, but they can move their hands and speak with the hands language, sign language, this is called. Okay, with their hands and fingers to communicate with each other. But we are not able to understand, not all. There are some people, but those who are like them only, they understand their language very well and they are very smart and intelligent enough to speak their language in their own way. Next comes over here orphanage. Orphanage are children who do not have parents. Orphans are the children who do not have parents. They stay in a special home called orphanage. Here they are given education and proper care. When we visited an orphanage, we carried clothes, eatables, toys, and games for them. We also gave them story books. Some of them carried stationery items for them. Some of them has given notebook for them. The smiles on their faces gave us a joy. They wanted us to visit them again. They were very happy when they visit them in orphanage. Next comes over here, care for the elderly people. We must care for the elderly people. Do you know that? Those who are not able to do their work by themselves, we should give them medicines on time. We should go for a walk with them whenever possible. We should wish them on all special occasions and give them gifts, flowers, cards. They will feel very happy. We should make them happy. We must celebrate their birthdays, marriage anniversaries, what all the things we can do, something good for them, we should do it. We should go with them for family picnics. We should talk to them as often as possible so they will also feel happy. Okay, they should not feel lonely and bored. They too have their heart, isn't it? They have their heart. They also feel that something, some people should talk with them. They also have their life. So we should, how much possible we should do and make them happy. Next comes over here, making friends. Let us make all special children our friends. They need our support and care. Do you think so? That their life is how much difficult? Yes, let us play with them, share our things with them. Let us be kind to the old and the physically challenged people. Their life is very difficult, children. They are not like us. They cannot do their work by themselves, but still they feel very happy. They are struggling for doing their work. They needs to do such a hard, no, it is not possible for them to walk from one place to another very fast. They have to think slowly they will go so still they are very happy. You can see the smiles on their faces even though they have not a life as we are living. Let us help them whenever they need it, as we are human beings, isn't it? We should show our care to them. Happiness also we should share with them with joy. Okay, in this manner we can surely make the world a better place to live in. So, thank you, children. I hope you might have understood this much. What did I explain you? And again, as we are giving message in all the chapters, so here also I wanted to give you a beautiful message that we should help the person who are in need. A needy person, we should always help them. If we see them in the roadside, we should help them to cross the road. Okay, like this way, small things way we can help them, we should do it. So in this manner only we can make a world a better place to live. So thank you, children. Thank you so much.